Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and I'm here yet again with another video, but this is more of a continuation of the last video. You can see you can look at the other video in the list of occurrence, and I'll also add this in the description, so you can find that in the description as well. But what we've seen was the GoPro Hero 10, and we were trying to install the battery. So I'm going to quickly just show you once again how that worked. Okay, I'm not able to turn this thing off. Give me a moment. Let's just get rid of the battery first. So what we were not doing at that point was, God, give me a moment. Let's get the battery out. Okay, the battery's on. So as you can see, the battery's here, and all we needed to do was pull this thing over with your nails. It's got a spring in there, as you can see. It's got this spring, and this comes out, and then you've got these connectors there, and inside you can see the 4 connectors for the battery. All you need to just do is slip this in, slide this in, and then just push this thing, sorry, 1 second, and then just push this in, and there we are, the battery's installed. And now the next step, of course, is to turn it on. Press this button, just keep it pressed, and there we are. The SD card's not inserted, but we are on. Powering off. Okay, so the battery's low, I think. Insert SD card. Okay, fine. So there's no battery in there. So it needs to be charged, of course, and the SD card needs to be installed as well for this for the video to work. But I've had a look at some of the options that we've got within the device itself, and it looked fairly decent. The 5.3 the pixels and things, the 5.3K video resolution looked really good, and the 23 megapixels of photo quality was pretty decent, was really good in fact, and of course the hyper smooth 4.0 does the job really well. I've spent just about 15 minutes or so with this device, but it looked really nice. It's got lots of options. It's got the sensor, and it's got a full touch screen on the front. It's also got gyroscope, so you can turn and twist around in every direction. So it's going to turn and twist in the way you'd like to use this camera. But yeah, I'm going to add some footage from some of my action activities, probably using bikes and things, and I'll be posting those on my channel. Do subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of the GoPro Hero 10, and if you have any questions or queries, as usual, just drop them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe, as I'd like that a lot. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care, cheers, bye bye.